So SkinTyte is another use of the broadband light device that Sciton makes. This is the device that we use. And what SkinTyte does is essentially uses broadband light to heat up the deep layers of the skin. And when they're heated to between 38 and 41 degrees Celsius, it actually causes a mild thermal injury to the dermis. It's not a lethal injury, so that there's no cellular death or it doesn't elicit a significant inflammatory reaction. But that tightness that you get from elevating the heat causes contraction of the skin over the long run. And so after several treatments, people notice that some of the laxity of the skin improves. I've had it done many times for my neck. And other than feeling fairly warm and hot in a couple of areas, it's really not a particularly painful procedure, and there's really no downtime from that. I can do this in between seeing patients. So I find it's very useful, and it sits somewhere between skin surface treatments and surgical treatments that we often use to tighten people's necks. So there's lots of people who benefit from having a little bit of tightness, but wouldn't necessarily need to have surgery for that, and this is where it fits in.
SkinTyte is such a great treatment because, first of all, there's no downtime involved. It's very, very comfortable, and you're actually getting results. What we're doing is we're creating a thermal injury to the dermis. By creating that injury, we're causing the body to create more collagen and elastin, tightening from the inside out. People will start to see some results in terms of skin laxity. They're going to experience more tightening. They're going to see a little bit more firming in specific areas around the jowls and lower cheek area as well. Skin tightening is a fantastic treatment that can be used for all over the body as well. It can help tighten the abdomen, the chest, the arms, any areas that you're noticing any laxity, we can help tighten those areas. Usually with skin tightening, people are coming in bi-weekly for their treatments. What we're trying to do is raise that temperature up anywhere between 38 and 41 degrees. By doing that and keeping those cells nice and stimulated and constantly energized, we're likely to see skin tightening with that. When you first arrive for your treatment, what we'll do is we'll just go over any pre and contraindications, and then we'll get right into the treatment. So we will apply a little bit of water-based gel to the neck or the jowl area. We'll put on some safety goggles just to protect your eyes from the laser. What you're going to see during the entire treatment is a yellow light flickering. What you're going to feel is heat that's starting to build up. Certain areas may get hotter, certain areas may take a little bit while to cool, but it will warm up to a temperature of that where you're comfortable. And then we're just maintaining that heat for about 2 to 3 minutes.